Hi guys, it's EasyOrElse. This video will be the one that shows the mudcloth that was done on this pillow and this. There are two ways to do that type of a mudcloth. You can either stamp the image on. In Africa they use wooden carved stamp, and they would stamp mud onto cotton, which would be similar technique. Or you can soak the cloth until it's black, and then they would hand paint or stencil, bleach out the white. I'll show you how to make the stamps to do these images with just things you can get at a local craft store. So, let's do this. In this project I used all items I was just able to get from my local Walmart. I have a pack of the kitchen flour sacks, and these also are sold in singles, so you can buy just one for 98 cents, and they are 100% cotton. I have the tulip fabric paint in black, just Elmer's glue stick, scissors, and then one piece of the foam from the craft area. So to make the stamp image, the most important key is that you'll have to make it double to pull it up off of this surface. Otherwise, if you have paint on the sides, it may transfer to the fabric. So to do this one, then I just used some glue, whatever glue you've got, to stick the images together. And then I did the same thing to transfer this to this. I also bought this in their craft section. I just put some glue so that it's easy to pull up, and then I just wash it when I'm done using it. But the cool thing about the foam is that you can make an impression inside this. It can't be too detailed. See, like this, I just poked holes in it. So let's just say I want to create an image. I just have to be able to push down pretty hard so that it creates that line, a depth into the foam. All I'm doing is pressing pretty hard. See what that looks like? So now we'll load that up with paint. Depending on the design, I could use a brush where I could be more careful with where I'm putting the paint. Just keep a Kleenex handy to wipe off any excess there. And you can see in the image now, since it wasn't heavily loaded with paint, you can see the light design. This is fabric paint, so if you let it dry, it says let it dry for 4 hours. After 72 hours it can be washed. So use your own creativity. I mean, how cool is that? Just think of all the different simple shapes that you could use and use that same technique. And they're reusable. I can just wash this off and keep this shape and re-glue it onto this when I want to stamp something like that. And up in this corner I already did one, and I just cut the cactus out, used a pencil to poke the dots in, and then just stamped that, did the same way. So what an inexpensive way to create your own mudcloth. You could use these for table runners, napkins, kitchen towels. This will make a great pillow cover. You can even just do part of it for decor on your wall and frame it. You use the same stamp technique with the cactus. If some spots got filled in, I just used the tip of a pencil and used white dots to fill in spots that I missed. You know, I'm just an Arizona girl. I love my state, whether it's desert or the mountains. Hope you liked this video and came away with some ideas you can try. So, give me a thumbs up, share with your friends, and subscribe while you're at it.
Did you say subscribe while you're at it?
Yeah. I think I looked at you and not that one though.